I'm Troy with Idol Salons, where we help hair brands and hairstylists grow and make more money using Instagram. In today's video, I'll be covering how to use hashtags. So the purpose of hashtags is basically to categorize your content and make your content searchable by other users on Instagram. So when you use hashtags in your content, you're increasing your chances of your content being seen by more people, which leads to increased reach and increased engagement. So using hashtags. You can use up to 30 hashtags per post. Make sure your hashtags are related to the content that you're posting. You also want to use low to medium competition hashtags. So if you have a newer account or you don't get that much engagement on your posts, you want to use hashtags that don't have a lot of users. That way, when you do use those hashtags, you actually have the ability to get your content seen. You also can add hashtags to your stories. Also, one thing to note when using hashtags, you want to mix up your hashtags on each post. Don't use the same hashtags on every post. If you do, Instagram will do something called a shadow ban, where they will pretty much not show your content for those hashtags. So keep that in mind, mix up your hashtags. How to see the hashtags that are performing best? All you have to do is check your individual analytics on each post. The post that has the most impressions from hashtags is probably going to be your best performing hashtags. So basically tap View Insights, then once you swipe up at the very bottom, you'll say see from hashtags, and that'll be the actual number of counts you reach by hashtags alone. If you have any questions, comment them below. If you found this video helpful or useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.